It is very easy to create a software simulation by using Adobe Captivate. And to do that, I'm going to go to Captivate right here. On the new section, you can see software simulation is there. So I'm just going to click on this and click on create right over here. So once I click on create, you can see that I can select a particular screen area right over here to select a screen area and start recording that area right over here. Or I can choose an application. So I'm just going to choose an application and select this area right here. If I were to choose screen area, you can see that I can select a particular area right here. But if I were to go to application and select this area, you can see that the entire application is recorded just like that. So I can go to application region right over here as well. So you can see that application region is being selected. I can select that out as well. So I'm just going to select entire application window right over here. On the bottom hand side, you have an option to choose whether it's a manual type of a recording, so you just record the video and there's nothing else, or you can select automatic, that is the demo, and then like comments are actually generated for you. So usually I like to go for demo because it's a lot easier. So I'm going to make a demo, not training right over here. You can also choose assessment or custom type of recording right over here. You can choose whether as your mouse actually pans out, it pans out the screen. I'm just going to say no panning because I'm just recording this part of this software right over here. You can also add a narration if you want to, but in my case, I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then for more settings, you can go over here on to the settings right over here, where you can add in tooltips and other smart steps instead of captions and so forth. I'm just going to leave everything as it is right over here. And once I'm ready to start recording, I'm just going to click on record right over here, and then it'll show the timer, and then you can start doing your thing right over here. So I'm just going to go around over here, and then I'm going to do regular things. Let's say, for example, I'm going to type in Captivate. I'm going to select this, go to format, I'm going to go to font, change out the size right over here to different font and different size, press OK, add in space, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V right over here, as you can see. So I carried out a bunch of steps right over here. So to stop recording, you just go on to the taskbar right over here, and then over here you can see the Captivate icon. If you don't see it, you may see it under here right over here. So I'm just going to click on this and let's see what happens. So if I were to click it, now the recording entirely stops. So now I can simply close out the notepad as well, or I can just work around with this. So you can see that notepad is there. Just close out because I already have completed the task. And you can see that whatever I did, it has created like a caption for this. So you can see right over here, I type in Captivate. You can see the mouse right over here, just like that. So I can just select out the slice that I want, and all the mouse and everything is there, as you can see. So I can go over here, preview this out, so play slide, and that is what happens, as you can see, and the mouse moves along as well. The second one, let's see what happens. So preview this out. You can see that I'm typing in, that's the second step. I can go over here, preview this out, play slide. So you can see that the mouse moves there. This doesn't make sense, so I can simply delete this out right over here. And now let's just play this out. It's selected Captivate, as you can see. I can go over here, play this out, select the format menu as it says right over there, and then go around here, play the slide, select the font menu item. You can see that all of the steps has been recorded, and you're free to edit this out right over here. So you can go around here and show out whatever happens. So play slide, and there you go. And that's how you actually select and keep the record of all of the steps in Adobe Captivate, just like that, as you can see. And that's how you create a software simulation by using Adobe Captivate. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.